Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's May 25th, 2023. We're going to talk about Intel today, trying to figure out, is this a stock that we should dump? Should we sell it? Because the stock continues to struggle and trying to go up. Let's get this video started because you guys can see I already got a price prediction on the chart. Yeah, see, I've already expected that Intel is going to go lower. Now, from out the gate, I admit price hasn't necessarily gone down. It's just been trading sideways. Look at that. So what does this represent? If we have the idea that price in Intel is weak and price has merely traded sideways, does that mean that the market really is weak? Or does it mean that people are just still there selling between $30.50 all the way down to $28.50? People are still trying to sell their positions there before the price continues to collapse. Because one thing you guys can tell for Intel is that we've seen the market in Intel make lower highs. This market is making lower highs. So why would you want to come in and buy a stock that is clearly showing you it's going down? That's the current trend into the market in Intel. And then the next thing, outside of the market in Intel making lower highs, the market also failed to trade above our $30.25 area of resistance. This goes all the way back to like November of 2022. This is a very hard, firm area of resistance. Now, when we saw Intel break above this level in March of this year, we wanted to see price hold it. And you guys can see that it fell back down in April, came back up, and we quickly came back down below our resistance area. So seeing this occur still tells me again that the market is generally weaker than it is giving us strength. Look at Intel real quick on the 2-day. Okay. So when you combine these 2-day price bars right here, price currently is generating more weakness than it is giving us strength. The only thing is this area right here that I'm concerned about and seeing price go a lot lower, especially down here to over the TP price, is because we got buyers at this level. Buyers are coming in the market in Intel around 29 bucks. That's where they're at. How do I know that? Well, take a look at these price bars. These price bars are not created unless people buy and sell. So why would price in Intel come and stop at this level and not go lower than that? Why? Because people are buying. That's the only reason. That's the only thing that you can have in order to stop a price from actually moving further to the downside, is people had to come in and buy it. You can only do 2 transactions in the market, buy and sell. So we got buyers there. So that's one cause as to why I know my price prediction hasn't panned out yet. It's because people are still here buying. And if that happens, then I already know that my price prediction is going to be wrong. It's going to be incorrect. So yes, I am paying attention to both sides of the market. You should too. Here it is on the 3-day. Right here in the market in Intel, when you look at this on the 3-day chart, this tells us, especially off of this weakness here, okay, this 3-day price bar that the arrow's pointing down to is weakness. You would expect price to continue to go down. But when you look at the next 3 days, it didn't go down. The price closed higher than the previous 3 days. So that tells you, like I said earlier, buyers are here. And then you have another 3-day price bar that is telling us buyers are here. But then you get this one. So all of the buying that occurred from May the 12th going all the way to May the 20th, 8 days of buyers trying to hold price in Intel, the market still didn't break above our resistance area. Still. We ended the 3-day down. So that tells me we're still trending to the downside. Even though Nvidia is breaking all-time highs, Intel is not participating. Look at this on the 5-day. Now we have 8 hours and 42 minutes, but again, that's weakness. Okay. So what the market is currently telling me is that I don't need to change my price prediction. We're still sitting on the right side of the market. Nothing has changed yet. But I will tell you, keep your eyes open on that area that I told you that the buyers are coming in at, which is like $28 to $29. If they continue to hold that, then this is where the market is buying, because longer term, they're looking for price to break out. Okay, so be on the lookout for that. I want you all to see this. If the market in Intel continues to trade and hold this area, it's trying to break out. It's trying to buy whoever is trying to sell in this level. But until we continue to see this happen, we're going to look for the price in Intel to go lower. Okay, so I'm not going to change it. What I am going to do though is extend this a little bit further, give the market more time to play out. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain your profitability, and as always, trade different.